So hi everyone, this is Vivek and welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to see about this design. So its name is alphabets and I'm going to show you guys how to make alphabets out of masking tape or painter's tape. I will let you know guys what are the materials needed: paint, paintbrush, scissors, blade, masking tape or painter's tape. So if you guys use painter's tape, the quality will be really superb. I'm going to show you guys from basic level. Let's just move on. The alphabets came really well and it was really superb. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you soon on our next video.